Hey guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I've got a cute little Christmas table I'd like to show you. I call this my Christmas camper and truck tablescape. So let's truck around the table. Here on the breakfast room table, I'm using a set of burlap placemats that say Merry Christmas, and they have the old-fashioned red truck hauling the tree, but with a plaid design in red and black. I found these this year at the Dollar General store, and I'm going to use my Buffalo Check chargers. I bought these last year at Hobby Lobby. And for the dinner plates, I have this pretty black and red plaid set. I found these at Target. I've had them a while though, probably 5 or 6 years. And this year I found a cute set at Hobby Lobby also. They have trucks and campers. This is the truck. It has kind of a buffalo print design on the truck. And then this one is the cute little camper. It too has the Buffalo Check design with the tree on the top. And I'm going to be using some of both on this table. For the glasses, I'm going to be using my black stemware. And I have this set of mugs. They're black and red plaid. I'm going to be using those. The flatware, I'm doing black. And I'm going to be using red dinner napkins today, and I've just used a little Christmas ornament that I've basically taken the little hanger that you use to hang it, the little wire, and wrapped it around the napkin and made a napkin ring out of it. Lots of Christmas ornaments, you can use them this way and make cute little napkin rings. For the centerpiece today, I've used this floral design that I brought from my store. I have some little cute truck planters, and they actually have a little candle holder that's made in the back. And in it I've just put some berries and pine, and there's also some cute little Buffalo Check little ornaments and jingle bells that I've mixed in. And only I would put a truck on a cake stand, but I'm using my black Mosier cake stand to give it a little bit of height. And then on the table itself, I've just laid a kind of a wispy pine wreath, just laid that flat on the table and set the cake stand in the center to build it up just a little bit and make a platform. But you can use a wreath like that, just a simple wreath, lay it flat on the table, and you can put a candle holder, you can put a compote or urn in the center. It's just a simple way to fill in a bit. Here's some cute little salt and pepper shakers. We got the truck hauling the Christmas tree. And I brought a few things from my little chalet. It's all done in the plaids and wintry look. And if you haven't saw that video, please look through and find it. It's the tour of my chalet. But this little coffee pot, I have a couple of these over there. It's that pretty red enamelware. And I also collect thermoses, and I brought a few of my thermoses just to add in. I thought with the plaids it was pretty. Here I've got a taller one at the back. And this is my truck cookie jar that's hauling the Christmas tree. Here at the front I have a cute little truck I picked up only yesterday. We went out to eat at Cracker Barrel, and last year we tried to buy these off of the tables and they said they weren't for sale. They were holding Sweet and Low. But this year I was in the gift shop and I spotted one. And it does say Cracker Barrel on the side, but I don't care. And I'll just put some peppermints in it. And I've got a couple of these little candles. They have the trucks on the label with some little ribbons and a jingle bell on top. And guys, I like to buy gift sets, especially this time of year. They get in all these cute little gift sets with mugs, and that's where I got these plaid mugs here. I found them in gift sets at Big Lots one Christmas, and I think they came 2 in a set, and maybe there was some coffee that came along with them, and I had to buy 2 sets to get the mugs. And I actually have a couple different sets of mugs that I've gotten that way, but I like them because they have the pretty red and black plaid. And they also had little lids on them that have Scotty dogs. So I still have them, but I don't know, maybe one of these days I'll have to do a Scotty dog table. Who knows? Here in the chairs I have some cute little pillows with the truck and the Christmas tree. These are like an advertisement for a tree farm. I found these this year at Walmart. And here at this corner of the table, I have another little truck. And I found this year too at Walmart. It has peppermints in the back, but actually it's a wax warmer. And I haven't yet used it for that, but I will. I'll put some pine wax little blocks in it, and it melts the wax. But I thought that was so cute. I'm usually not really big on trendy items, but the truck trend I have embraced with abandon. I just love it. And so when these things aren't here, they go over to my little cabin and I keep them over there. I couldn't decide which arrangement that I wanted, so here on the back column I've just put this lantern here. It also has the buffalo check, and it's got a little bit of burlap ribbon and pine cones. And that's one of my floral designs from the store as well. So I just set it there in the background. Originally, I don't know if these old trucks came in red. I have a picture of my mother when she was only a toddler with my great-grandfather, and they're standing in front of his truck, which was an old Ford, and it did look just like one of these, but it was black. Fun fact, Henry Ford said his customers could have any color automobile that they wanted, so long as it was black. So I think these trucks originally probably were not red, but I enjoy them just the same. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for letting me share my blessings with you today, and I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you the merriest of Christmases. Bye-bye now.